Today we are making a delicious Tequila Sunrise punch. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. To start making our punch, I'm going to add in 3 cups of orange juice. Next, I'm adding in this is a little bit over 1 cup of freshly squeezed pineapple juice, but you can also just use store-bought pineapple juice. It's up to you. Next, I'm adding in sliced oranges. This is just 1 orange, and I feel like there's nothing better than when you finish your drink and you have that fresh fruit in it. It's like a little snack, and it's nice and boozy. And you can't have a Tequila Sunrise without the star tequila. And I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of tequila today, so this is a fairly boozy drink. Oh my goodness, we had just enough. Traditionally, you would use grenadine in a Tequila Sunrise, which is made from pomegranates, but cherries are in season, and I'm not a huge fan of grenadine, so I made a homemade cherry simple syrup. To make this, I used 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar, and then I added in 2 cups of pitted cherries. I let it cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I strained all those cherries out, and I'm left with this beautiful simple syrup. I like to make it in advance, keep it in the fridge, because I can use this for so many cocktails. And I'm just going to be using half a cup of my simple syrup, because you can always add more, but you can't take away. And this adds such a beautiful color to our drink. It's like a sunset. You have the orange and the purple. And now I'm just going to give this a gentle stir because I don't want the separation of colors to disappear. And I have to do a little taste test. See if you want to add any more sweetness, your simple syrup or your grenadine to our beverage. It's always good to give it a taste test. And if you enjoyed watching this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button. Oh, that's good. I can taste the tequila. All right, it's a hot day. All my ice is melting. There we are. Okay, and now I'm just going to fill up my glass with ice. There we go. And I am going to be adding champagne to our drink. If you're serving this pitcher right away, you can add the bottle to the pitcher. But because I am bringing this somewhere and I don't want my champagne to go flat, I am just going to top my glass with some champagne. And now it's time to try our drink. Let's pour it in. I almost forgot about the champagne. So it's gonna be a light topper, just to bring a little bit of bubbles to our drink. And if you really want that Tequila Sunrise colors, you can add a little bit of your grenadine or your simple syrup on top. You don't have to do this, but if you want to garnish your drink, I like to add a slice of pineapple on the side of my glass, along with a pineapple leaf because we're getting tropical, and a fresh cherry. How good does that look? That looks absolutely delicious. And now I'm excited to taste it. That is absolutely delicious. It's so refreshing. I feel like I should be by the beach or a pool hanging out and relaxing because this gives me the tropical vibe. And if you want to see more of my cocktail and punch recipes, there should be a playlist right here or over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers!